let us know if it's a normal day for you. Well, for me, I'm here with Moy.
I'm in Japan and it's Labor Day over this side as well.
And around here we have Tef. She's originally from Belize, but just here in Jamaica. Yeah. So anyway, guys, as I said, we are on our way to Portmore. Not sure exactly what we're going to do in Portmore, but I was actually home and I was like, I want to come out of this house. Well, in truth and in fact, we should actually do some work since it is Labor Day. But anyway, I just called up Moy and she said, oh, let's get Tef as well and go to Portmore.
Yep.
Yeah. But I think, guys, that your windscreen thing was changed.
Such an
so
embarrassment. Hey, cut. Cut.
Alright, it will stop now. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, you need to change your windshield wiper. Anyway, guys, so I was thinking that we could go to Fort Clarence Beach. I went there some time ago for a photo shoot and I think I saw like there was a restaurant close by, so go over there, go check it out. As I say, it's nothing planned, we just want to leave the house. All right, so come to Portmore with us, guys.
All I know is that I am hungry and this lady said let's go, so I'm going to go. But I am just in it for the food, so I'm just excited to see where that will be.
You ever go Fort Clarence yet?
Yeah, but I don't remember no food.
I think there's a restaurant close by, man.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah, it's the first time going to Portmore. Your first time, right, Tef?
Yeah, first time.
No, that's not true.
What? Well, I don't even know where I'm going.
That's not true.
So yes, guys, just stick around. Where you look for? How much for tour?
I'm not sure.
$2.90.
I just gave you $100.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, 100 is not enough.
How much?
$2.90 for the tour.
I had cash with my bank cards and
How
stuff.
much you have, Maya?
That's 100. Even 200.
No, this is strange though. Oh, it's in the bag, you know. It's in the bag. That's where my money is.
I just gave it change.
Here you go. Hello.
Don't drive away like a change.
How are you doing today? You know, I'm giving thanks. I'm a bit hungry. You have any food in there?
Oh, I'm just like earlier.
Oh gosh, man, you didn't know I was coming?
No, I didn't get my info on the
I thought we had a connection somehow.
Sorry, disconnect.
Please, you disconnected. We went to the beach.
Fort Clarence Beach may be closed today.
What?
Take the next left onto Dawkins Drive.
No, man. No, man. What if it's closed today, guys? Where are we going to go?
I'm not sure. You know, as a pass, taste the patties. Tafara, which patty?
This is the gas price right here, so how much can I?
Turn left onto George
$2.32, right? So,
You want me to get the gas here?
yeah, get the gas here, so.
Let's see. Hello. How are you doing? How are you spending the Labor Day? How are you spending the Labor Day?
Right here, sir.
You mind being in the video?
You know, like the Labor Day agree with you, man.
Why we get to
Oh, yeah, that's a glow, sir. Yeah, glow, man. Yeah, glow. But listen to me, my friend. Someone want gas, right?
Huh?
I want gas. 90. And I want to full up, right? But me don't want to pass $4,000. I can't go for that. Debit. Alright? So full it up for me, you know.
Are you at the cheapest gas station?
Hey.
Come here, sir.
I want to run by and go inside.
But yours is the best one, not true? Yeah, man, I know the best one. Alright, 90. Because Mrs. Shani want to set you up, make her lose a job.
No. She's not gonna lose her job, so by being honest.
Okay, because honesty go put you far.
Oh man.
I mean, it
232.
It does with the Lord, but not with man.
Yeah, I'm on Red Hills Road at $270 something for the 90. You like the smell of that stuff? Really?
But you know, I am yet to know the difference between the 87 and the 90. I've heard that the 90 is just a better quality. But here in Jamaica, you know, we just piece everything come out of one barrel. And they just charge differently for the same thing. But I could be wrong. I don't know.
But you can know based on
No, man, I want to something I want to know.
a 4,000.
A 4,000 you give me. So look here, two things we tell you. We tell us I want it full. But now you charge me 4,000. And you put 4,000 in it, but it's not full. Alright, so here what? Full it for me, yeah?
Sure.
Full it now, man. What?
How much is that?
Yeah.
How much 4,000 put in?
Half tank, but I had gas in there before, you know I don't drive on empty.
Since when? Shall show up in the video. Always low. But always, but tank always full. Bridgeport High School, if you do not know where it
In
is.
600 meters at the roundabout,
Wow.
take the second exit onto Port Henderson Road.
Thank God for the gift of reading.
Whatever.
What's interesting, today's Labor Day. And I don't pass anyone doing the Labor Day
You know, say
project.
that me I think.
Or maybe it's because it's 4:30 now.
Yeah, and if they get up early in the morning, go do something work.
Oh man, but you don't call Labor morning, you call Labor Day.
What is it?
Like cleaning up the roadside.
That's what
picking up
people normally do on Labor Day.
Oh, that's what you guys do.
Paint buildings.
Like community projects.
Yeah, and I don't see any work going on.
Because on the eve of bush we are passing on the roadside, nobody not clean it up.
Because Jamaicans has lost the sense of work. Wait, sit here close. See there? You brought us to a place.
My goodness.
Unless it's
No,
not
it's
here.
around there. Around that side.
Okay, because I'm ready, you know.
Fort Clarence is around that side, right? Oh, they don't speak English.
They do.
They don't, yeah, they just don't want to talk to you.
But why wouldn't they want to talk to me though?
Why would they want to talk to you?
Because we're black. Free black.
Okay. So we go buy the food and pay for the security as well?
Yes, you can them charge them, get them place and them stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. What the restaurant? What the problem?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Come on, man. Make the lady tell me what the restaurant is, man.
But carry your part, brother. So, restaurant, the right over there. So, they don't need that.
That yellow and red shirt.
Right hand and little tree. Originated from El
And Mer.
Deep end, we're alive, living life underwater. Let's spend all we got getting buzzed. You pretend you're a god, I believe I'm a soldier. We play hide and seek till you draw. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Running, I'll catch you on my own, boy. No, love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. I'm crazy for playing that only because Venus is my mother. I've got my girls for life. Freedom is my sister.
So even though we're going to eat at the restaurant, we can't sit on the
Yeah, you can order your food.
But we
You
can't
do your
sit.
thing, but you cannot film on the table because they're two different things.
How much
Over here, so yeah, man.
Got my I drop.
We're in place in order.
Only have chicken and chips.
We're not getting no fish today now. Them say sea rough, so there is no restaurant that have any fish around here. Yeah, so what they do have is chicken and chips. You want my chicken and chips? Mary, you want a chips? Kind of Alright, so we'll go by the front and buy soup. Alright, so guys, what we'll do is just go and get soup. Kind of disappointing, we tried so far and can't get food. You want to go Port Royal? I'm joking. Alright, that's her. What kind of soup is that?
This is chicken foot with cow skin, cow foot, carrot, pumpkin, mustard.
It's all in one pot.
Yes, all in.
Chicken and cow skin, everything mixed up in a pot.
My grandfather did. So you want it?
Let me see what it tastes like.
Bye.
Make sure we get one heap of meat tonight. I don't want a chicken tonight.
I'm gonna make you have the kick like the chicken. Alright.
Yes, it's I think it's cow skin or something like that.
Yeah, cow skin and chicken feet.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be like red meat. It's like all in one combo.
Oh yeah, of course. $2.50 for the soup and $2.50 for the corn.
If you want down, you have to pay $5.
Yeah.
Tastes good, really. Actually, it tastes good. Me not lie. It tastes good.
Alright, yeah, give me a taste, no, man.
I'm not eating right now. You guys know that. Oh, you want to taste some more?
I'm the guy from vegetable. It's vegetables.
Your honest review, how it tastes?
No pork, none of this.
No. No, cow skin.
Oh, yeah, Rasta. Sorry, y'all.
Alright, thank you.
I a Rasta thought.
At the same time, still we have a pot of pork.
Yeah. What do you call this restaurant? We call a restaurant though.
Restaurant with the name Sister Blossom.
Sister Blossoms. Anybody come Fort Clarence Beach, just ask us.
Come feed us, Sister Blossom. Now we're going to get a little interview about them nice. Oh, come feed it.
Alright, so tell people so them must come a Sister Blossom cook shop. Mama Blast.
Ultra bleak.
At Ultra Beach. Ultra Beach. So the over this side you call Fort Clarence.
Next door is Fort Clarence.
Oh. Oh, okay. So Ultra Beach. Yeah. Alright. Soup tastes good still. Alright.
This done here, so give her next one for me now.
Is it?
Is it? Go.
The people should drink all my soup. Oh, Sugar Man Beach. Okay, oh. I said I drink one more soup, people.
Should I give you in a different cup? Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, it's cow skin.
Guys, I
Oh, you want to go skate? Sure. That's what I'm gonna get. And I'm gonna go skate for you.
So yes guys, kind of disappointed. So we come up for Fort Clarence, going to have a good time and eat some fish and bammy and festival, but didn't work out. How you feel about that, Tef?
It's horrible.
Yeah, so basically, we could call it a drive out, no?
Yeah, Labor Day drive out. I want to know where in Jamaica, you see, I can go for a free beach. A beach I go and I don't spend any money. So I don't mind. No, I literally don't mind paying for the cleanup of the beach because public beach needs cleaners, right? But I have a problem though when we go to the beach. The beach isn't clean, but as you come out of your vehicle, they're harassing you, wanting money. Then you walk to somewhere else and then, oh, somebody else is in control of this part.
This section
you have
of
to
the
pay
beach.
more money.
Yeah,
and
I don't fully understand it. It's a public beach, but different sections of the public beach is owned by someone.
Yeah, so for example, if all three of us go by the end of it in just paying different parts of the property of the public beach, it probably come up to like what, $1,000, you know. So
Yeah.
suppose we just want to pull out in our beautiful island Jamaica.
Can't go. Not free.
Tell us I know.
Anyway guys, if you know somewhere in Jamaica that's a public beach and you don't have to pay, let me know in the comment section, because everywhere you're going to Jamaica you have to pay. So I don't know, only river alone you don't have to pay. Maybe you soon have to start paying
Yeah,
this
because it's up to my little country river. When we go, we have to pay a fee.
Yeah man guys, so thanks for watching and thanks for liking the video and leaving a comment. Yeah man, so this is it for today, our Labor Day drive out to Fort Clarence Beach.
Is it Clarence or Clarence? Which one is it? Is it
Clarence. Fort Clarence Beach in Portmore. Alright guys, so see you on the next video. Over and out. Oh,
Bye!
wait, you need to say it. I vow to never be mediocre. You should vow to never be mediocre. Meow. The power silence. The rest of them puppy show ya. Bye guys.